Right, so, as by the title, the reason you're watching this video is because your E60 or E61 BMW with a standard sunroof is having a problem with the auto trap feature. I'll show you what I mean. So, when you're trying to close your sunroof, let me reach over here. You'll notice the wind deflector gets hit by the roof itself. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix this for free. For this repair, all you're going to need is some cutters, some needle nose or long nose pliers, and two little pieces of flex speaker cable. The problem your roof has is ice cream vans somewhere in the distance. Oh, there you go, now they're gone. Right, your problem is this little bushing over here. This little guy wears out, and when it pushes it down into place, your sun or your reflector actually needs that much more movement to clear the roof. So, to aid it in this, we need to move it up to its full extent, grab our little piece, and sometimes you can wedge it in from this side, but I'm going to need both hands to do that, so I will quickly pop the camera down and show you guys when it's done. Right, as you can see, I've gone ahead and pushed it in with the needle nose pliers, and now that gives the entire mechanism proper leverage over the wind deflector. I'm going to do the same for the other side, and then we'll go ahead and give the sunroof a try. Okay, installed on both sides. There we go. Now let's see if we can go ahead and close this in one swoop. Look at that. Fixed. And that's how you repair a jamming sunroof for free. So if you guys enjoy this, drop the video a like and consider subscribing for useful little tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.